Hello, children. Shall we start the lesson light? When you enter into a dark room, can you see anything? Nothing is visible. The moment you switch on the light, everything in the room becomes visible. You can see the things around you. How do we see things with the eyes? Don't you get a question? Yes, let me explain. When you look at this book, the light falling on the book is reflected and enters your eyes. Yes, non-luminous objects do not have light on its own. It receives the light and reflects. Light is the only source of energy for plants. Yes, people and animals derive energy from carbohydrates, protein, and fat through their food. But plants entirely depend on light. Yes, plants produce food using the energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water by the process called photosynthesis. Here, sunlight acts as a vital role in the process of photosynthesis. Sources of light. Objects which are able to emit light are known as light sources. Light rays can come from different sources. So we can classify it as natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. First, let us see as natural sources of light. Sources which emit light naturally by on its own are known as natural sources of light. We all know that the sun is the primary and the major source of natural light. Stars also produce light in the same way as the sun do. However, they are much farther away from the sun. So, the light from them are too weak. The moon provides light, particularly in the night. Also, some living organisms have the ability to produce light named by bioluminescence. It is the effect of certain chemical reactions occurring in the organisms. Fireflies, jellyfish, glowworm, also certain deep sea plants and some microorganisms can emit light naturally. Artificial sources of light. Apart from the natural sources, light can also be produced artificially. The different light sources that are able to produce light artificially can be classified as incandescent sources and gas discharge sources. Artificial sources are man-made light sources. Incandescent sources. When certain objects are heated to a high temperature, they begin to emit light. The glowing of hot iron rod is a kind of incandescent light. For example, candle, incandescent lamp. If you think of candle, it burns itself to produce light. Next one, gas discharge sources. Passing electricity through certain gases at a very low pressure can produce light. For example, neon lamp and sodium lamp. As I already said, the moon provides light particularly in the night. But is the moon a luminous object? The moon provides light as well, but it cannot produce light by its own. The light emitted by the moon is the light of the sun reflected towards the earth. When we see the moon, we see only the moon's lighted part. Thus, half of the moon is always facing the sun and receiving light from it. Hence, we receive light from the moon. Thank you.